Are you a Canadian looking to grow your wealth, but feeling frustrated by traditional savings accounts that offer next to nothing in interest? Have you heard about crypto, but feel it's too complicated, too risky, or just not for you? What if I told you there's a straightforward, secure, and genuinely Canadian way to leverage the power of digital assets to build a substantial savings, without needing to be a tech guru or a day trading wizard? For years, Canadians have faced a dilemma. Our dollar, while stable, doesn't always offer the most exciting returns in conventional savings vehicles. The allure of higher yields often means venturing into volatile stock markets or complex investment schemes. But the world is changing, and with it, the landscape of personal finance. Cryptocurrency, once considered a niche interest for the tech-savvy, is rapidly maturing into a legitimate asset class. And platforms like Newton are making it incredibly accessible for everyday Canadians to participate. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about smart, long-term financial planning, diversified growth, and taking advantage of innovative opportunities that were once out of reach. We're going to dive deep into how Newton, a proudly Canadian crypto trading platform, can become your trusted partner in building a robust crypto savings strategy. We'll explore everything from setting up your account and funding it, to understanding how to choose the right assets for your goals, and even how to earn passive income through staking. So, let's peel back the layers and discover how you, a Canadian, can confidently navigate the world of crypto and build a future-proof savings with Newton. First things first, what exactly is Newton? In a nutshell, Newton is a registered Canadian cryptocurrency trading platform designed to be simple, secure, and affordable for Canadians. Founded in 2018, it has quickly become a go-to for over 800,000 users, offering an easy way to buy, sell, and exchange over 70 different cryptocurrencies. Think of it as a digital bank for your crypto, but with far more potential for growth than your traditional savings account. One of Newton's biggest selling points is its commitment to low costs. They boast zero deposit or withdrawal fees for Canadian dollars, and even cover up to $5 Canadian in network fees for crypto withdrawals. This is a game changer, as high fees can quickly erode your savings, especially when you're making regular contributions. They also pride themselves on competitive spreads, which is the difference between the buy and sell price of a cryptocurrency. Lower spreads mean you get more for your money. But beyond the fees, Newton offers a user-friendly experience that's perfect for those new to crypto. Their intuitive platform is available on both web and mobile apps, making it easy to manage your portfolio on the go. They prioritize quick onboarding with instant verification for many users, meaning you can get started building your crypto savings in minutes. Now, let's talk about the how. How do you actually build crypto savings with Newton? It's a multi-pronged approach that leverages the platform's features to maximize your potential for growth. The foundation of any saving strategy is consistent contributions. With Newton, this is incredibly simple. You can fund your account using Interac e-transfers, wire transfers, or by connecting your bank account. Interac e-transfers are particularly popular in Canada for their speed and convenience, and Newton processes 90% of deposits in under 10 minutes. This means you can easily set up regular transfers from your bank account to your Newton account, much like you would with a traditional savings plan. Once your funds are in Newton, the next step is to strategically choose your crypto assets. With over 70 cryptocurrencies available, it might seem overwhelming, but Newton provides tools to help. You'll find popular options like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, which are often considered the blue chips of the crypto world. These tend to be more stable than newer, smaller altcoins and can form the backbone of a long-term savings strategy. For building a crypto savings, a dollar-cost averaging (DCA) strategy is highly recommended, especially for beginners. This involves investing a fixed amount of Canadian dollars into a chosen cryptocurrency at regular intervals, regardless of the price. For example, you might decide to buy $50 worth of Bitcoin every 2 weeks. This strategy mitigates the risk of volatility, as you average out your purchase price over time, buying more when prices are low and less when prices are high. Newton makes this easy with recurring buy features, allowing you to automate your investments and stick to your plan without constant manual intervention. Beyond simply holding assets, Newton offers a crucial feature for building crypto savings: staking. What is staking? Imagine a high-interest savings account, but for your cryptocurrency. When you stake your crypto, you are essentially locking up your assets to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards, typically in the form of more of the same cryptocurrency. Newton currently supports staking for popular cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, ETH, and Solana, SOL. This is a fantastic way to earn passive income on your holdings, effectively growing your crypto savings without needing to actively trade. For example, if you stake your Ethereum, you're contributing to the security and efficiency of the Ethereum network, and in return, you receive staking rewards. It's a powerful tool for compounding your gains and accelerating your savings growth. It's important to understand that staking rewards can vary and are not guaranteed, as they are dependent on network activity and other factors. However, for long-term holders, staking offers a compelling alternative to simply letting your crypto sit idle. Newton simplifies the staking process, integrating it directly into their platform, so you don't need to navigate complex external protocols. Another key aspect of building crypto savings is diversification. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are strong choices, exploring other well-established cryptocurrencies can further spread your risk and potentially capture growth from different areas of the crypto market. Newton offers a wide range of assets like Cardano, ADA, Polygon, Matic, Polkadot, DOT, and many more. Researching these assets and understanding their use cases can help you make informed decisions about diversifying your portfolio. For those who want to take their understanding to the next level, Newton also provides advanced charting features powered by TradingView. While you might not be actively day trading for a saving strategy, these charts can help you understand price trends and identify good entry or exit points if you decide to adjust your holdings. However, remember that for a long-term savings approach, consistency often trumps trying to time the market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.